have to look for the wafers of the cylinder. First one is elastic. Second is nothing. It has wafer on the first position. There is no wafer on the second. The third one, elastic. By testing 3 positions, we can confirm all the positions of the wafers. We already found one side. The other side, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th. After finding all the positions, and then we have to pick the lock. Keep pushing tension bar. Touch the first wafer. Elastic, go for another one. We feel this position that's blocked. Try to touch another one. Elastic. The next position, elastic. Try the other side. Elastic. 6th, elastic. 8th, elastic. 10th, elastic. Let's find the blocked one. It's third position. Use lifter to click this one. Go on finding another blocked position. The 7th need to be clicked. The 9th position, click. The other side. The 4th position, if it feels blocked, click. Go on. Same way, click. Click 8th position. The last position, also click. We have to repeat the same operation till the lock turns on. At present, it's time to get a key code. One side code is 2, 1, 3, 2. The other side 2, 2, 3, 2. We cut this key by 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine. Look for the menu cut by bidding. Here we search automotive name NSN14. Click what we find. Here install the key blank depending on the instruction picture. The tip is better to get close to the first line. If it's ready, click continue. The code what we get is from door lock, only 8 spaces. But here 10 spaces. So we have to input from the third position. Double 2, 1, 2, double 3, double 2. For the first 2 spaces, we just input double 1, that's okay. Finally, click cut. Continue. This is the flat key that cuts fast. Cutting finished. Try to turn on the door lock. It looks perfect.